Oh. Guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. How have you all been? A lot has happened. Well, the S2000 is back, as you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail of this video. It's been a long journey, and I'm gonna give you the rundown in today's video. So, the car is back. Here she is. And I'm just kind of getting her all prepped and ready to go. But there she is. Doesn't look like anything is really different up in here, but yep, she has got a whole new motor. So I'm just getting the front bumper put on, the carbon pieces put back on. I still have to do the, let's see over here. So to put the carbon diffuser back on, that's right there. And after that, she is going to get a well-deserved detail because it has not been washed. I don't think since I've bought the car, it has actually been washed. It's been pretty much at shops the whole time. So none of this really got filmed because I've been working, and I did send the car off to For the Performance in, I think it is Clearwater, Florida. I really appreciate those guys for all the hard work they did on getting this car back together and getting it back together quick. I managed to find a lower mileage motor, only 85,000 miles on this motor, which is less than the car has. And it's also an F20C, so we stuck with the F20C. This motor is bone stock, pretty much just kind of transferred some of the goodies over, such as the injectors, map sensor, all that kind of stuff. But besides that, internally, this is a stock F20C. Now you guys saw at the beginning of the video the dyno pull that the car did. Now that was on about 10 pounds of boost. I wasn't going for massive power after what happened. I wasn't ready to take the risk, you could say. But, so it's making 356 right now, which is a very healthy number for a car really that only weighs about 2,800 pounds, and she's a lot of fun. So at some point here, we're gonna finish getting this thing back together, get it all detailed up, and then we're finally gonna get to take you guys for a ride. It has been a while. We've been daily in the Golf R over here, and the S2000, I just haven't been able to drive it, but now that we can, it's gonna be awesome.
The next day.
The S2000's first cars and coffee. So we're over here flexing on the nation, and she is looking good. Just gave her a good wash and a wax. We're posted up over here and looking really good. So it is early in the show, and it is already starting to fill up. So we're gonna check out some cars today. We're gonna see what's here, and let's check it out. Interesting R8 there. Let me know in the comments below. You guys like the wheels or hate the wheels? Kind of one or the other. I'm not sure yet. Aaron, back on the vlog. It's been a minute.
Always.
Always on the vlog, checking out Subarus.
Mostly stock Subarus.
Mostly Subarus. And sparkly purple
This
Subarus.
one's actually pretty cool.
Perhaps kind of cool, yeah.
The wheels are actually pretty nice too.
You can get in there, nice build. We got Lambos, we got Supras, Aston Martins. We saw something really cool that came in over there. We're gonna go check out, I think. The Lambos. Nice Gallardo. Rolling in, some vets. We got a Tony the Tiger, Elise. Oh no, it's an Exige. I was wrong.
That's what I was pointing out.
No, I thought you said Elise. Yeah, it is an Exige. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Like the driver. New vet. Got a McLaren over there flexing on the nation. People are really starting to roll in. Technically just started. Some old school muscle as well. Oh yeah. Subi Love. Miata crew looking so happy. Look at him smiling. This guy, he's only got one eye open, but still living life. Well, that's interesting. Right out of Mad Max. Gosh dang. Oh, Civic. Of course it's a Civic. GTR Nation, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. This thing is so cool, but I can't really show it to you because there's copyright music in the background. Alright, so we'll do a quick walk around here. Mr. Michael Barr's GTR, if you guys haven't seen it before. Beautiful engine work. Look at those welds. And look at those Nismo wheels. Just had them refinished. Very, very sparkly. This car is very, very well done if you guys haven't seen this car before on the channel. But yeah, very, very well done. This is one of my favorite GTRs. Did a great job with this. Bayside blue. Looking great. starting to clear out here at the Cars and Coffee. My time to leave. S2000 got a lot of attention, but we're starting to clear out here now. So, not sure if the video's ending here, or we're just going to be going on to something else, but let's roll out. Alright, so we in the S2000, boys. Unfortunately, it's hard to vlog in here because it's still straight piped. So, yeah, it's pretty loud. Pretty loud. Alright guys, back in the garage. S2000 made it. She's running really good. So we're going to be definitely doing some more videos with this. If there's anything special you guys would like me to do with the S2000, let me know in the comment section below. But I'm super excited to finally get some more time behind the wheel of this car because it is so fun to drive. Small update on the Golf. We did get some new tires. Look at that, some new, I can't even see it. Well, we got some new rubber on the Golf R. I'll be doing a new video on this soon. It's almost been a year since I've had this car. Time has been flying by, so we're going to be doing an update video on the Golf R and plenty more with the S2000. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but we were just at the Cars and Coffee, so we're going to end here and continue on later. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, and as usual, we'll see all you guys on the next video. Peace.